These are my squad battles rewards. This week I got gold 2 on the RTG and also some objective rewards mixed in there. First I opened the gold rare players pack and got a few good cards to sell for coins for SBCs and just discarded the rest. And then after that I opened this 88 plus FUT Birthday, FUT Fantasy or Dream Chasers Guarantee pack, and it was definitely a flop. Got Slabhead Maguire, not the best card to get, but decent fodder still, 82 rated, probably not getting the team though. Then I got two 85x7s from the season pass, and this is one of them. Again, great fodder, but nothing special. And then the other one was also the same, just more fodder. Lots of good high rated team of the weeks. To get an 89 Rooney in there, but he will not be making the team. It's just not good enough. And finally we opened this Immortals Guarantee pack, which we got from the seasonal objectives. This was definitely a big flop of a pack, as we got Mustafa, one of the worst Immortals that we can pack. But overall, wasn't too bad, got a lot good fodder and a few good players.